Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro, and in this video I am going to talk about 20 powerful features of this tablet. So let's start. The first feature is about multitasking. For example, here I open this note-taking app. I can also open another app in split screen. So I will take out this H panel, and then from here I can select any app. For example, I select this internet browser. I will drag and drop it here in split screen. Now I can work on both of these apps together. The next thing is you can also bring any image from internet browser to your notes. For example, I like this image. I will use my S Pen and then I will press and hold it like this, and I can easily drag and drop it here in my notes, and later I can also edit it. I can also use the highlighter if I want to highlight anything important. I can also label this image as well. The next thing is you can also bring any text from a website to your notes. For example, I open this website and here I like this text. So I will use my S Pen and then I will start selecting the text. So I will select it till here. So again, I will press and hold this text, and then I can easily drag and drop it here in my notes. So here you can see all the text that I select here is now available in my notes. The next thing is you can also change the size of a split screen. You can also change the position of these apps as well. You can also open another app in pop-up view. So take out this H panel, then select any app. For example, this time I select this calculator app. I will drag and drop here in pop-up view. So now you can work on 3 apps together. You can also bring any data from your calculator app to your notes. For example, I want to drag this number. So I will use my S Pen. I will select this number, and now I can easily drag and drop here in my notes. So here you can see. The next feature is about no battery mode. So guys, you can use this tablet without battery. So for example, I will remove this back cover from the tablet, and I will also remove this battery. So here you can see I will remove this battery and I connect it to the power source, and here you can see the tablet is still working perfectly fine. I can use all the features. So this will be very useful for long road trips, and it will also avoid overheating. The next feature is about active button. So guys, here you can see you have this extra red color button. You can use this button to open any app. For example, if I press this button, it will open the Samsung Notes, and here I can start taking my notes. The next thing is if I press and hold this active button, it will open the Microsoft Excel, and I can start working on my Excel sheet. You can also customize this active button. First of all, you have to go to the settings. Once you go into the settings, you have to scroll down, and here you see the option of advanced features. So you have to select this option, and here you see the 4th option is about active button. So you can select this option, and here you can customize this active button. The first option is press. So if I select this press option, here it will open the app menu, and then from here you can select any app. For example, I select gallery app. Now if I press this active button, it will open the gallery. So same thing for the press and hold option. So here you can see the press and hold option is currently set to Excel. If I select it, it will open the menu, and from here you can select any app. The next feature is about Samsung ecosystem. For example, I will take out this H panel, and then I will scroll to the clipboard. So you can see the clipboard is currently empty. Now whatever I copy on this Samsung device, it will also be available in Samsung Tab Active 4 Pro. For example, here I open this website and I like this image. Now I want to copy this image. So I will press and hold it like this, and then I select this copy image option. Now the same image will be available on this device. So for example, now I will take out this H panel. So here you can see the same image is now available in this clipboard. Now I can also use this image. The next feature is about this protective case. So guys, this case is included included with the tablet and it will protect the tablet from all sides. So here you can see you can also insert your S Pen inside this case. So here is the location for S Pen. You can easily insert your S Pen inside the case. One more thing I want to mention here is below this video you can see this like button. If you press it, it will change its color. You can try this experiment. The edges of this tablet are bulky, makes it a rugged tablet. The back cover is attached at 28 points and the front screen is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. So guys, this tablet is IP68 dust and waterproof with military standard durability. The next feature is about book reading. So you can use this tablet for book reading, and if you want to read for a longer period of time, you can use the eye comfort shield option. So bring down this quick panel and here you see the eye comfort shield. Just press and hold it like this. It will open the eye comfort shield settings. You can turn it on from here and you can also customize the color temperature from here. So for example, if I set it to full and now if I try to use this book reading app, here you can see the color temperature is changed and now I can read for a longer period of time. So guys, this tablet has physical buttons. So here we have this recent button to open the recent menu. Then we have this back button and we also have this home button. So the fingerprint sensor is also mounted on this home button. For example, if you want to test out the fingerprint sensor, so here you can see you select this continue option and now if I press my finger on this button, here you can see it start scanning my fingers. You can also use the face recognition option. So if I go back and here you can see we have this face recognition option as well. If I turn it on and then it will start scanning my face. The next feature is about Samsung DeX. So you can use the latest version of Samsung DeX with widgets also available. You can open multiple apps and you can also resize these apps. You can change their position as well. You can also connect it to the external monitor. Guys, you can also open the classic DeX mode as well. So first of all, I will close these apps and then I will bring down this quick panel and then I will go out of the DeX mode. So it will go back to the normal tablet mode. Now again I will bring down this quick panel and here is the DeX option. Now this time I will press and hold this DeX option. It will open the Samsung DeX settings. So here you can see you have the new option and you also have the classic option. I will select this classic option and then I will select start DeX and then it will open the classic Samsung DeX. So you can also connect it to the external monitor to have the complete desktop experience. So here you have your apps in the taskbar and you also have your apps on this side. The next feature is about S Pen. So guys, this S Pen comes with the tablet and this S Pen has a lot of functionality. For example, you are scrolling through a website and you find some interesting information and you want to save it. So you can use your S Pen and then start selecting the text. So for example, I will select it till here. Then I have this option of add to note. So I will select this option. So the same text will be added to my notes and later I can use it. I can also use this S Pen for screen of memo. For example, my tablet is locked and I am in a hurry and I want to write something important. I will press this S Pen button and then I will tap on the screen 2 times like this. It will open the screen of memo and I can write anything important. And once I finish, I can select this save option and later I can access it through Samsung Notes. You can also use this S Pen for Smart Select tool. For example, if I want to capture a specific part of the screen, I can use the S Pen. I will open the Air command and then I will open the Smart Select tool. Now I will use my S Pen and then I will start selecting the area that I want to capture. So I will select it till here. So here you can see the area is now captured. Now I can edit it, I can share it, and I can also save it. So guys, please note that this S Pen do not need any charging and it does not support air actions. The next feature is about note taking. So you can use Samsung Notes for note taking. It has all the necessary tools. For example, if you want to convert your handwriting to text, you can use this S Pen to text tool. Now whatever I write, it will convert it into the text. You can also use this shape tool. Now whatever shape you create, it will make it neat for you. You can also use this S Pen button to switch between different tools. For example, if I want to erase my handwriting, I will press this S Pen button and now I can easily erase my handwriting. I can also do PDF annotations. So for PDF annotations, you can use Zodo app. It has all the necessary tools. For example, if I want to highlight something, I can use this highlighter and I can highlight any text. I can also use the underline tool. So here is the underline tool. I can easily underline any text. I can also use this pen tool. So now I can write anything on my PDF. I can also create different signatures. I can also add or delete pages. The next feature is about modes. So if I bring down this quick panel and then from here I select modes and then I will select study mode. Now everything will become grayscale. Restriction applies on some apps. Do not disturb feature turn on. Now I can only use the apps that are related to my studies. So this will be really helpful for me to focus on my studies. Now if I want to go back to the normal tablet mode, I will turn off this study mode. Now you can see everything will go back to the normal tablet mode. You can also customize these modes. First of all, go to the settings, then select modes and routines. And once you go inside modes and routines, here you can see different modes option. You can also customize these modes. The next feature is about digital planning. You can use the Penly app for digital planning, and here we have these amazing digital planners with different tabs and buttons. You can select any month from this side. You can also select any date from other side. You can also open the to-do list option, and then you also have notes option. You can select any notes format. For example, I select this format, and now you also have these tools available. For example, if you want to write something, you can use this pen tool and now you can write on your digital planners. You can also use this highlighter tool. You can also create hyperlink. For example, I want to create hyperlink for this handwriting. I will open the selection tool. Now I will highlight my handwriting and then from here I select this link option, and now I will select web link option, and here you can enter any website. For example, here I select samsung.com and then I will press OK. Now I will go back and I will open it again. Now if I tap on this handwriting, it will open the website for me. So this will be really amazing. Now I will do the gaming test. So guys, this tablet has TFT LCD display. The processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset. So guys, the tablet that I'm using has 64 GB of storage and 4 GB of RAM, and it is also available in 128 GB of storage with 6 GB of RAM. You can also extend the memory because it also has the SD card slot. The battery is 7600 milliampere and the screen size is 10.1 inch. So you can see the gaming performance on this tablet. This tablet also include 15 watt travel adapter, and it also include this Type-C charger. So guys, this tablet also has 3.5 mm audio jack, and it has dual speaker with Dolby Atmos sound. You can also use the Dolby Atmos for gaming. Now let's talk about the cameras. So the rear camera is 13 megapixel with autofocus. It will also automatically scan the documents. For example, I want to scan this document. I will turn on the camera. Now without pressing any button, it will automatically scan the document and it will also take the picture. So here you can see I select this save option and then it will also remove the unwanted object. So here is the final result. So guys, inside camera, if I go for more, we have this Pro option, panorama, hyperlapse and food option available. So guys, the front camera is 8 megapixel. You can use it for selfie, for Zoom meetings or for screen recordings. The next feature is about screen recording. For example, you have a video lecture going on and you want to take notes in the meantime. So just press this S Pen button and then tap on the screen 2 times like this. It will open the Samsung Notes and here you can start taking your notes. Now you can see this app is blocking the view behind. So you can select this blue bar, then select this opacity icon, and then from here you can reduce the opacity. Now you can see the video behind and you can also take your notes. The next thing is you can also do the screen recording of the video and your notes as well. Just bring down this quick panel and then from here select this screen recorder. So once you select this screen recorder, from here you can select start recording, and after this countdown your screen recording will start. The next thing is if you want to highlight anything important in your video and your notes, you can use this pen tool from the screen recorder. Now you can highlight anything important in this video. You can also turn on the front camera. So here is the front camera option. So here you can see the front camera is now open. So when you finish with your screen recording, you can select this stop option and your screen recording will save in your gallery. Later you can access it, you can edit it, and you can also share it. Now let's talk about the software. So guys, this tablet has Android 14 with One UI 6 and more updates will be available in future. So guys, this tablet also has touch sensitivity option. So you can use it with gloves as well. So what you have to do, go to the settings, then go to the display. Once you go inside display, here you have to scroll down and you can see this option of touch sensitivity. So you can enable this option. Now you can use it with gloves as well. You can also add different widgets to your home screen and you can also control these widgets directly from your home screen. So what you have to do, just press and hold the home screen, then select widgets, and here it will give you list of different widgets. So you can select different widgets and this will be helpful for your productivity. So guys, this tablet is very useful for construction workers, for warehouses, for truckers, for corporate professionals and for students as well. So guys, this is for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.